I don't mind, but I'm going to stand for my national anthem. And whenever there is something for my country, I am going to side with my country.
I make your speakers bang. Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't.
उनको रखना चाहिए, उसको जरूरत है।
आपने हर उस पॉलिटिकल या सोशल इशू पे बात रखी है बेबाक ढंग से, जो एक आम आदमी से सरोकार रखती है। आपने जेएनयू पे बात की, सीए पे बात की, हाल ही में निर्भया।
फिर भी मेरा स्टूडियो कहता है मीडिया से बात करो, मैंने कहा सारी तो मैंने बात कर ली। और क्या मतलब, ऐसा कोई मुद्दा नहीं है जिसका मैंने आंसर नहीं दिया हुआ है।
जी, हाल ही में निर्भया पे जो
अच्छा ये रह गया था। अच्छा ओके, बताइए।
जो वर्डिक्ट आया उस पर आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं, और ये क्या आपको लगता है कि इस तरीके से जो कोर्ट की तरफ से वर्डिक्ट आ रहे हैं उससे रेप कम होंगे, या फिर जो आम मानसिकता है लोगों की विमेन के प्रति वो कम होगी?
दो जो भी, एक तो वो माइनर था, उसको माइनर कहते हैं। जो रेप करता है, जो कि रेप करने के काबिल है, वो कौन से उससे माइनर बनता है? वो कौन सा स्टैंडर्ड इन लोगों ने बनाया हुआ है जो उसको माइनर बता रहे हैं? जो बंदा रिप्रोड्यूस कर पा रहा है, रेप कर पा रहा है और इस तरह की हरकतें कर पा रहा है, तो सबसे पहले वो माइनर है ही नहीं। ऊपर से ऐसे लोगों को चौराहे पे मारना चाहिए, उनको वहाँ पे हैंग करना चाहिए, ताकि सबको पता चले कि क्या होता है रेप और क्या उसकी सज़ा होती है। ऊपर से ऐसे लोगों को चौराहे पे मारना चाहिए, उनको वहाँ पे हैंग करना चाहिए, ताकि सबको पता चले कि क्या होता है रेप और क्या उसकी सज़ा होती है। और ये कोई इतने सालों बाद वो माँ भी इतनी सफ़र कर रही हैं, उनके पिताजी इतने सफ़र कर रहे हैं, पूरी फैमिली की क्या हालत होगी, उनका अभी क्या बचा होगा इतने सालों में उनका संघर्ष कर करके? कहाँ जाएंगे वो गरीब लोग? पैसे हाई कोर्ट से सुप्रीम कहाँ जाएंगे वो? मतलब ये कैसा समाज है? तो मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि इन लोगों को ऐसे चुपचाप मार देना चाहिए। तो ऐसे मारने का क्या फ़ायदा जब आप एग्जाम्पल ही सेट ना कर पाए? उन लोगों को चौराहे पे हैंग करना चाहिए, चौराहे पे मारना चाहिए सबके सामने।
Kangana, at the same time, there are certain. I mean, there is a lady in the country who is saying that just like Priyanka Gandhi, even Nirbhaya's mother should forgive.
उस लेडी को उन लड़कों के साथ 4 दिन जेल में रखो, उनको रखना चाहिए, उसको जरूरत है। लेडी को उन लड़कों के साथ 4 दिन जेल में रखो, उनको रखना चाहिए, उसको जरूरत है। कैसी ऐसी औरतें होती हैं जिनको बड़ी दया आती है, और ऐसी ही औरतों की कोख से ऐसे निकलते हैं दैशी दरिंदे। ये भी किसी की कोख से ही निकले हैं। उन्हीं की कोख ऐसी होती है जो ऐसा सोचती है, जिनको सिंपैथी आती है, प्यार आता है इन पे, दैशियों पे, खूनियों पे।
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living on life.
For your experience, who has given you more unnecessary attitude in the industry, female co-stars or male ones?
I think you, Karan.
Later, bitches.
Me?
Yeah.
So how do you gender that?
I would be a man. Most
No,
parts.
but you know he's a star, so I think he has given me the most.
I've given you the most attitude. Okay.
Just give her the hamper, let's go.
Okay. My apologies if I have. It was never intentional. Let me just apologize.
I love you,
That's
Karan.
alright.
Yeah.
That's
Let me
just
just
great.
make a sweeping apology to you for
But
everything
you know, in
that
my biopic,
Yeah.
if ever it's made, you know, you'll play that stereotypical Bollywood biggie who is like, you know, very snooty and completely intolerant to outsiders, and you know,
Intolerant is the
yeah,
word.
flag bearer of nepotism, the movie mafia. The movie mafia.
Okay,
Just give her the
You will play a
I
huge
think
part.
Star World just got its promo.
Yeah, you will have a huge part to play in my biopic.
I don't even know why I'm here.
Well, I don't know why I am here.
Let's swap.
But I wanted to know this, that a lot of it is just perception and half of it is not true.
No, but I like that. I like the antagonist in you in my biopic. Please, it has to be you.
Okay,
Isn't it?
I'll give you that.
I like that sort
You
of
like that.
powerful.
Later, bitches.
As you said, do or die for you. Your comments about certain individuals who you've had big fallouts with, starting with Karan.
Well, I personally, after a point, at that point of time, you feel really intensely about it, but later on, you definitely do not have really strong emotions. But I definitely feel that, looking back, I would. Like I said, I still find it absurd that how can somebody just deny knowing you after working with you in 2 films? So I would definitely think it's dumb, now even if I think about it like 100 years later, or even like how Karan mocked me on IFA stage and called me sort of on nepotism, and as he said I'm jobless and I'm looking for a job from him or something like that. I mean, look at my talent and look at your movies. I mean, really? I mean, look at my talent and look at your movies. I mean, really?
Later, bitches.
He really called me jobless in London on some platform. So no matter what the time is or what the era is, I will always think that some people really needed a bit of a dose of Chyawanprash. I will always think that some people really needed a bit of a dose of Chyawanprash or something at some point.
Comparisons. Whenever we talk about, not we, but whenever people write about the top actress, all of these big time producers, directors talk about the top actresses in the country. Deepika Padukone's name comes, then Alia Bhatt is referred as, the bright young star. But do you feel left out, and how do you compare yourself?
Well, it's not that it's not that I feel left out. I really feel I stand out. Because when you talk about actresses, here's 3 times National Award winning actor, and Mr. Johar of The Worlds tried to present a list of people whose even acting abilities are questionable, whether they even come to that category or not. And with a blank face question, so who is the best of this lot? And you're like, hello, sort of the brain feeding to, another magnitude. So like I said, there were times when we liked bell bottoms and we loved, the kind of neon shades people wore in the 70s. But when we look back, we sort of find them funny. This is what is going to happen to these people because they're going to look like idiots. They're going to look like idiots.
Later, bitches.